Hello, darlings. It's Melissa. Welcome to a new school year. We've been seeing a lot of eye rolls about how messy your Canvas dashboard gets when your courses sync from Focus. So we're here to help you clean it up by cross-listing your courses. A quick note of caution before we begin. While teachers have the permission set to cross-list their courses, you don't have the permission set to de-cross-list your courses. So if you make a mistake, be sure to contact the help desk so that a Canvas administrator can de-cross-list your courses and you can start again. It's also important to note that cross-listing could lead to a loss of content, so you want to cross-list your courses before you begin creating any assignments or pages. Start by identifying which courses you would like to cross-list. Think in your mind, which of these courses would I like to combine into one? For this video, I am going to be cross-listing 3 courses: Algebra 1-1, Algebra 1-2, and Algebra 1-3. Out of the courses that you're cross-listing, identify one as a parent course. This is an important step to ensure that your courses are cross-listed correctly. You'll be cross-listing the other courses into the one that you've identified as the parent.
Now we're ready. Click on a course that you would like to cross-list with your parent course. Scroll all the way down to Settings, then go to Sections. You'll notice the section listed. Click on the title. On the right, click Cross-list this section. Start entering the name of your parent course to search for it, then click on it in the drop-down. Then choose Cross-list this section.
You'll notice that on my dashboard, I no longer see my Algebra 1-2 section, and that's because it's cross-listed with Algebra 1-1, and they're all together in one course. One way to ensure that your courses are cross-listed correctly is to check the People tab inside of your parent course. If you check the students that are in that course, you'll notice that they're listed from both Algebra 1-1 sections and Algebra 1-2 sections. Let's see that whole process again by cross-listing my Algebra 1-3 section with my Algebra 1-1 section. Another way to check that your sections have cross-listed correctly is to check the course section's settings in your parent course. There you'll see all the sections are listed, and it's even noted that they were cross-listed from another course. So what are you waiting for? Go! Cross-list those courses to reclaim some time and clean up your Canvas dashboard.